Hi everyone, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm here today to share a happy mail. Oh my gosh, um, I I don't know what is going on with YouTube, but a lot of times I don't get notifications on people's lives or their videos and stuff like that, and I've been missing some people that I haven't been watching, and I think it was because I don't see them on my feed. So I finally went on Angie B's, who's Angela Brooks, here on YouTube. I'll make sure her link is down below because I'm not sure if it's Angie B or Angela Brooks or Angie Brooks. I'm not sure. I'll link her down below. So in one of her lives, she offered, I think it was Sun, Moon, and Arts. Rosa and I were on her lives, and I'm doing this because I'm trying to promote her channel. Because she goes on live once in a while, and there was only two of us at her live. So look what she sent me. Okay, so on her live, she was packaging up some cards that she made, and she made some bookmarks and all that stuff, and she offered to send Rosa and I some bookmarks, and I thought that was all she was going to send us. But look at this card. Oh my gosh. It says, "Life is pretty amazing when you stop and look around you." Isn't that the truth? And look at this background she did. I don't know if this is just paper, but she embossed this flower, and I think she embossed this glitter embossing folder. Okay, so she goes, "Enjoy every day. Thanks for being a great YouTube friend. Enjoy the goodies." Jeez. Angie, you are too funny, girlfriend. So she sent me some of this. I didn't even know Miss Sparkle had sequins. I didn't even know that. This is a really cool mix. Thank you. And look at this. I think this is like yarn. But look, she had wrapped it. Yeah, it looks like yarn. Look at that. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so she gave me some of that. And in this bubble wrap, she gave me some really cool goodies. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm loving her. Oh my gosh, I can't even untie this. Oh my god, look at these. Oh, Angie, you didn't have to do that. Oh gosh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? The best journeys are not always in straight lines. And look at, she has this charm, the bird charm. Oh my gosh, I love it. Angie B, right there. Love it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that would be perfect for my son and then for my daughter. Oh, be your own kind of beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I love that. Love what you did. Oh. Look at all this. Oh my gosh, Angie. Look at these little bottles. You can add a little sequin mix in them. She got me flat back pearls. Oh no. Oh no. I see something. Look. Her tangle beads. Oh my god. Oh, Angie, I saw one of your videos on your beads that she adds. She does a whole bunch of them at one time. Oh, look at this one. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at your work. Look how you do that. Oh, look at that. Look how she wraps it. Well, you can't even see that. Oh my gosh. Look, she definitely hooked me up. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look how she wraps it. I am loving that. I love this combo. Oh my gosh, you sent me a whole bunch. Thank you. And look, she's sharing some of her. Oh my god, that is a that looks like a fairy. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, Angie, why? I can't believe you're sharing all your. Oh, look at those apples. Oh my god, I love them. Oh, look at this. Girl, you are too funny. She gave me some beads to make my own charms. Oh my god, look at this one. This one's so pretty. I love these. That's some cool buttons. Love them. Oh my gosh. And then did she make these tassels? OMG, I wonder if you did. I wouldn't be surprised if you made them. She gave me a purple one and a red one. Thank you. Oh my god, look at all these. And some not jump rings, but these, what do you call these? Keychain rings. Oh my gosh. Oh, these little things. What are these? Are these little baby pacifiers or something? No. I'm trying to think. You could hang them like this and, use it as a charm. Oh my gosh, that is cool. I do like that. It's different. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm going to link Angie B's channel down below. So you go check her out. Come on her lives. She makes amazing, amazing cards. Amazing cards and bookmarks. Look at that. Oh my god. I love them. She makes amazing junk journals as well. So anyway, I'll have her link down below, so go and check her out. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.